Oh yeah, girl. Let's take a trip back in time and look at some universal Japanese motorcycles. Back when things were simpler, when things were shiny. When you could ride a motorcycle all day without having pain because the riding position was upright, smooth, and comfortable. No matter what bike you rode, you had skinny tires, you had bad brakes, and you had style. Giant turn signals, lollipop mirrors, sometimes a Kickstarter, that big banana seat big enough for your big butt on the back. Yeah. You could ride all day if you had enough two-stroke oil in your back pocket. Riding smoothly down the road with a rap, 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 rap behind you coming out of those multiple shiny exhaust pipes, tearing up the road on your KZ, or hauling down the road on your Yamaha. Good times, girl. Take a step back in your mind. Remember the days that motorcycle was universal and Japanese. 750 cc's is all you need in the old days to get down the road, to have a good time, and to put a smile on your face. It wasn't about winning races. It wasn't about doing wheelies. It was all about the freedom of the road, the wind in your face, and feeling your lady grab you around the waist and hold on tight as you rode up and down those canyons on your 750 Kawasaki. Those days are gone now, replaced by a new age. Electric motorcycles are coming. Gas motorcycles are going. These old universal Japanese motorcycles will live on forever in our hearts and in our minds, girl. Oh yeah. Thanks for sharing this walk down memory lane with me.